Hi, my name's Jesse. I'm with Just on Appliance Installations and Specialized Delivery. We've been in business since 2007. We have been a Jobber customer for I think about 8 months, and it has definitely changed the way we're able to do business. The ability to shift scheduling and to do things on the fly as opposed to having to come back really changes things. We can get a tech all the info that they need no matter where they are, so they can be there immediately and looking just as professional as the guy that left the shop in the morning with his day planned. As far as growth, I think Jobber's really positioned us to be better able to look at the future. It's allowed us to better organize and strategize with our systems and bring our team into one cohesive way of doing things. So I think the way Jobber will help us grow in the future is by looking organized and having a good face to present to the customers. I basically got threatened with mutiny when I said I was going to remove our old system and bring in something new. Within 3 days, I think just about everybody in the field and the office had a pretty good handle on it. I think within a week they understood it, and within 2 weeks it was just how we do things around here. Jobber's integrated seamlessly into our business and definitely saved us, I would say, 15 to 20 hours a week in the office alone, let alone what it may or may not save us out in the field.